Saneko Yanoni, sometimes I feel like I need to come out to address it, especially to Onyemen. I can't say echo me. Hear me out. Onyeme, I can't say echo me. Some of them. I don't know how they think. I don't know how they reason. I don't know how, especially like young generation, and they just talk out of emotions. Sometimes I wonder how these people think. Okay, wo game kume, wo game, we are not Ghanese, or ekole, woje mankunkulu no alo agba wo echumi. Hello, sometimes ina kaji fi amake ekole woje Togo. Hello, woje Zambia. Hello, like African countries ekuni wo town be ake wo ba hishin Ghana ni ana wake Ghana me Ghana biji wo. Sometimes I may be more come ko no wana ke money type of ego mommy motor song board music. In post video ko YouTube o fa ne ka follow ko YouTube but money no I follow Jimmy Choco YouTube. Jimmy post a lot of the full videos there. And then I posted a video and this guy came to comment and said you can't force your language on we the Akans. Instead of him speaking for himself, he qualified the whole of Akans, which I know is not the whole of Akans. Some. We can't force the Gan language on them. Some of them, as the Akans, can speak our language, but they will never speak that our unknown language. Who in his right sense, born and bred in Ghana, will ever think like this? Sometimes I just wonder, okay, someone is sitting somewhere trying to create confusions, and now this internet now money or account people create fake account just to come and do all sorts of because they can't use their own account. And most of the time say like account ni you or taflache you money be mo be me cock o te check like account one like a picture be no be any tracker is an active account no can use na GA here no na pictures no na history one like account now creating no be born me. So sometimes I feel like I need to address these kind of issues, and for some of them to know, okay, we are not people who are, let's say, okay, we are hating on them or we are enemies, or like we have an agenda, okay, we are bigger than them, or we are more than them, or we are more important than them. No. Come on, let me tell you, we are all Ghanaians. And sometimes it saddens my heart. They have not done their research well to know the implications that native in a country, a state, I use for the capital. I may search what the native in that state or the region goes through, because I use a state as capital. It comes with a lot of challenges. Do your own research, and sometimes because wow, we are all Ghanaians, and people have the guts to like say tribal words against other tribe. Charlie, see, we are all Ghanaians, we are one people, and at the end of it all, 30, 40, 50, 60, 200 years to come, me and you will not be on this earth. No one will even remember us. Even your third generation will never remember who you are. Jelem nena bani akenoko bana akenoko ya. Eke make me wili ni bi kume World Cup. Olenoko Gawoyo. We live in Accra. This is our region. And because Accra is a cosmopolitan region or sub-community or whatever, it is important for we as the Gans to be able to promote our language, speak our Ga language with anybody so that they can learn, with our kids so that they will end up learning the Ga language. Because Majina Eba Ghana Amebakra, all of them have different kind of languages. So we don't try to promote our language and teach people or children or relatives the Ga language, they'll end up losing their language. And don't forget that as an African, if you lose your language, it means you have lost your identity. You've lost your roots. So what is wrong with it? Ke won promote woga. Ake o koya oyega mi amoye no kasega. Alo ke fie ke wa wiga. No twa ke woton. No twa ke wa pa amanike ba. Alo wa agblasho se. Ke fie fie la kai. Ye fie ni ke fie gomo mi phone ni. If you come over you ke at the end of the day abanabo as local. See nyebulo ani bi ke it's uncalled for. It doesn't even tell us okay, you have this kind of Ghanaian mentality as in Moko. Me, I see everybody as a Ghanaian. I always say this okay, meaning your name. I have friends who are Akans. I have friends that are coming from Muniba. I have friends that are Elwes. I have people that have grown tight relationship with them that they come from different tribes. And that doesn't make us enemies. We speak the language. They are proud. Okay, they can speak the Ga language. Born Michi. Man say apart from Ghana. And then we'll boast okay, oh, me in no. Okay. For example, China. Can you think? Bomba kasi China ne kubin China wane. Bomba kasi China. If Africa, Baba flex so what is that not the same market different region over Accra? And you are learning the Ga language. Although you are able to learn the Ga language, you also flex with it. What will it take away from you? It doesn't take anything away from you. It doesn't even change anything. But let me tell you, okay, I'm trying to promote, okay, if you're a Ghanaian, you need to speak more than one language. So, you speak one, should be your native language. Two, should be whatever region you are, learn their language. So that, because language brings us together, it unites us, it makes us see ourselves as one people. Your Ga language will not speak, you can't force it on us. No more force on you. And then your comment alone is giving you out and is telling me who you are. Because any sensible person that sees that kind of comment will know who you are. Because I can buy their fruits, you will know them. Okay, Fenyakpa Nakaibula Nibi ni Nyanake Gamejiwo ni Ghanaians Jiwa at the end of the day. At the end of the day, we have so many languages. We have to promote it so that we keep it. Ona, come Noga, Onuchi, no one way together, no one mix cry. Yeah, fell. Ona, Charlie, anybody near you, aka Ganimi. Okay, you're back home. I don't know what you think about what I'm saying, but let me know if I'm making sense in the comment section. Okay, I love you guys and keep supporting me. Okay.